Hi everyone, here we've got Cubot X18 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to actually very bottom, because in the system section we've got date and time option. And here we've got some options which we can customize. So for example, first of all, we can decide if we want to use automatic date, time and time zone, or if we want to set it manually. So if you'd like to set it manually, just tap on it, and instead of using GPS provided time or network provided time, just tap on off. And as you can see, the date and time options are active, so let's do the same with the time zone. Just tap on the switcher here, and 3 options are active right now. So let's tap on the date, and here from this calendar we can choose the date we want to use. So for example, this one, tap on OK, and as you can see, it immediately changes. What's more, the same situation with the time. Just from this clock, choose the time you'd like to set, and as you can see, it immediately appears on the status bar. Let's change the time zone also. Just tap on it, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available time zones from which we can choose. So all you have to do is simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick this one, and as you can see, it immediately changes, but be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Under it, we've got also the clock format options, so you can decide if we want to use 24-hour format just like now, or if you want to use 12-hour format. Just tap on the switcher to turn off this option, and as you can see, it immediately appears and changes. What's more, we can also choose the date format. Just tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got plenty of options to choose from. We've got the regional one, and so on and so on. So for example, here we've got the year first, here we've got day first, and the month first. What's more, we've got the actual name of the day and the month, and so on and so on. So actually really plenty of options to choose from. So just pick the one you like the most. All you have to do is simply tap on the option like to set. So let me pick this one, for example. So actually this is it. This is how to customize date and time in your Cubot X18. If you want to get back to all previous settings, just tap here and choose the regional. Here we have to tap on the switcher to use 24-hour format, on the switcher to use automatic time zone, and here to use network provided time. So actually that's all. This is how to change date and time in your Cubot X18. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.